Hi guys, question 16 is to do with congruency. So we've been asked to show that ABC, well, it says that ABC is an equilateral triangle. So that's obviously going to be pretty important, equilateral triangle. What do we know about equilateral triangles? Well, we know that all of the angles in an equilateral triangle must be the same. So they have to add up to 180. So we know that 180 divided by 3 is going to give us 60 on each of the angles. It also says D lies on BC. So point D is on the line BC and AD is perpendicular. There, that's why we get the right angle here. It's perpendicular. So we're going to get right angles coming off of that. Prove that triangle ADC is congruent to triangle ADB. So we're showing that each side, so ADB, this triangle here, the left-hand side triangle, is congruent to the one on the right-hand side. And we're going to use this idea of, I'm going to use side, angle, side to prove the congruency. There are other methods, all of them you could choose from on this problem. So let's see what we have to do. We have to say, so if two sides and the included angle of one triangle are congruent to two corresponding sides and the included angle on the second one, then the two triangles must be congruent. The diagram is showing us that if we can prove that we have a side, an angle, and then a side, so side, angle, side, and the same side, angle, side on the opposite one, they're the same, we've got some congruency. So let's have a look at that. I want to start by looking at the angles that we've got at the top here. So this is perpendicular, and we know that 90 minus 60, sorry, 90 add 60 is going to give us 150. So the small angles up here are going to be 30 and 30. So we can already start by saying we've got an angle there that's the same on both. So we could say, so how do we describe those angles? So we've got DAC. So let's start by saying that angle DAC is equal to angle, and we're looking at this angle now, DAB. Alright, so that's our angle. Now we've got to do the sides that make the angle. So this side here, AD, is shared between both triangles. So it must be equal to both triangles because it's sharing. It's shared by the two triangles. So let's write down side AD is shared. Okay, shared by both triangles. And then we're going to look at so we've got side, angle, and then we need the side. So we need this side and this side. We need to justify why they are the same. And because our triangle is equilateral, then all sides must be equal on the big triangle. So let's just state that AB is equal to AC. The line AD is equal to AC because they are two sides of an equilateral triangle. Okay, so then we'll just state, so what did we just prove? Well, we proved that they were congruent by what method? And we have to say side, angle, side, SAS. Okay, hope that was helpful.